California. That's the reason I'm wearing this jacket, y'all. Hashtag drought free, hashtag rains forever, hashtag... Okay, I'm running out of hashtags. Welcome back to the weird part of YouTube, guys. This is my channel. Thank you for staying here for so long. I have 15 subscribers. Thank you all. Love you from the bottom of my heart. I know the love sign is like really cringy, but I do love you all. You mean the world to me. Yeah, so thank you so much for sticking in. I'm trying to put out content daily, and yes, that's the reason I'm like putting random videos, whatever topics come into my mind. I know I could do a lot more. Yesterday I did what's on my phone, link in the description below, and then there's a clip over here. You can click on what's on my phone. And yeah, I know that challenge is like really old, but here's the thing, when you're a new YouTuber, you want to put out content more often. So yeah, that's the part of being a YouTuber, I guess. So that's the reason I wanted to do that. So of late I feel like my audio has been really low, so in case I play my video I have to like raise the volume to the highest level. RIP headphone users, it sounds really bad sometimes. And I do use iMovie and I increase it to 400%, and I use it in my mobile as well. I increase it to 500%, but for some reason it's like it crackles at some point of time, and I don't like that. And you know, when a person watches my videos and goes to another video, they can see the immediate difference, which I felt that would be a concern. So I want to do something about it. So I went ahead and bought the Lavalier microphone. So this is an unboxing video, in case you didn't figure out by the title of the video. It's an unboxing video. And I went ahead and bought a Lavalier microphone, which was less than $10. Plus taxes wherever you live, it would come across $10–11 ish. So I could do a voiceover recording over my videos and stuff like that, but the thing is I don't get the lip sync right. I have been using the normal headphone microphone, and it doesn't come across right. So I thought, you know, with great Amazon reviews for this the Lavalier microphone, I'm just gonna do an unboxing. So this is what I received. I already opened it because it'll be easier. So, ta-da! This is the Lavalier microphone. It's omnidirectional. It can be supported by Android and Apple. It has 1.5 meters of cables. So I'm just gonna tear it open. I like packages which don't need scissors, so we'll see if this requires scissors. I think it might. Oh, okay, so I got it to rip it. So yeah, so there's a rip over here. That's it. So it's pretty easy, no boxes and stuff. The one thing that I dislike is the plastic packaging. I am trying to go zero waste, so I don't like packages with plastic packaging. But since you get what you pay for, it's under $10, and not $10, but like under $11 with taxes. You get what you pay for. The good thing is that you get a warranty for 1 year, which is great, so in case something goes wrong. So this is in a nice leather pouch which says Miracle Sound. That's all in the packaging, so I'm just gonna keep it over here. So this is what you get. And then oh, nothing in this. Oops. Oh, there's a clip. And it's a little hard to put some extra pressure. That's the clip. And this is the microphone. So I'm very excited to try it. And it's pretty long. So when I'm doing vlogs and stuff, it could be useful. There's this twister, you can extend it however long you want. I tend to lose my wire, so it gets tangled really ugly. So I'm just gonna extend it till here. Maybe a little bit more. Okay, so let's see how it works. It has a condenser already, which is very cool. You don't need to buy an extra condenser. Usually some of the cheap headphones they don't have condenser. Condenser is basically this foam sort of cover for your microphone, and it's like really long. The headphone jack is like the old ones, so most of the Android phones, they still have the headphone jack, but for an iPhone it doesn't. So in case you have a phone like iPhone 7 and beyond, you need to have this dongle, which you get for most of the iPhones that you purchase right now. So in case you already have headphones with this dongle, so you just go ahead and put that in. I have an iPhone here, so I'm just gonna use the dongle for that. So the clip over here is where so it doesn't fit anywhere on the wire because it's really thin. So it has to go over here. So let me clip it on. I clipped it in. This is where it goes in, and you can remove it. I'm filming from one hand, so you just remove that like that, and then plug it in. Super easy. This is like really. This one is a little hard, but it's good if it's hard because it won't like break. I would have preferred if it was metal because metal is more durable, but this is fine as well. The only concern for me is that it could chip, but this is the crocodile clip, and you can pin it up anywhere you want, and we'll see how the audio is. So I'm filming without increasing my audio, and I'm going to use the audio right. Hello, can you hear me? Oh my god, I think you wouldn't feel any difference because I'm recording, but I am using the microphone. You can hang up and try again. Must have seen TV anchors put their microphone like this really small microphone, or pranksters and stuff. So this is where it is, and you can pin it away any side. So this is what it looks like. So yeah, hello. So I'm just gonna place it over here. If you can see, I am wearing a black hoodie, so that's the reason you can't see it. And yeah, for more information, contact us, rating, review. So yeah, this is the microphone, Lavalier Microphone. It's got really good reviews on Amazon. If you're a streamer and anyone who's planning to start a YouTube channel, I guess you can use this. I am yet to know the results of it. Do comment down below if you feel that my audio has significantly improved. I would love all the comments and everything. Do subscribe to this channel, leave a like for this unboxing review. That is it. Follow my social media handles right down below and at the end screen, obviously. And that is it. Love you all. Do subscribe to my channel and leave a like. Bye.